Hi friends, welcome to the third part of first chapter of politics, power sharing. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for the further notifications for the videos uploading in our channel. So next we can learn why is power sharing desirable. The power sharing is desirable mainly due to two reasons. The first reason is prudential reason and the second reason is moral reason. The prudential reason of power sharing means that power sharing helps to reduce conflicts between various social groups within a country. So it in turn helps to maintain the political stability of a country or a nation. The second one is moral reason of power sharing. Moral reason of power sharing means that a legitimate government involves power sharing with its maximum number of citizens. So these are the reasons why power sharing is desirable. The last topic of this chapter is forms of power sharing. So there are mainly four main types of power sharing. The first one is horizontal division of power sharing. The second one is vertical division of power sharing. The third one is power is shared among social groups. And the last type of power sharing is power sharing among political parties, pressure groups and movements. So the first major type of power sharing is horizontal division of power sharing. Horizontal division of power sharing means that power is shared between various organs of the government such as legislature, executive and judiciary. Here none of the organ exercises unlimited power because there is a balance of power between various organs. There is a balance between these organs because each organ can check other organs. For example, the judges are appointed by the executives and the same judges can check the functioning of the executives and the laws made by the legislature. So it is called horizontal division of power sharing. The second major type of power sharing is vertical division of power sharing. In vertical division of power sharing, power is shared between various levels of government. For example, India is a country which follows vertical division of power sharing. It is because in India there are mainly three major levels of government. The first and the major level of government is central government. The second level of government is state government and the last one is local government. The central government is a general government for the entire country. The state government look after the day-to-day administration of the state and at last the local government look after the day-to-day administration of local regions in our country. So it's all about vertical division of power sharing. The third type of power sharing is power sharing among various social groups. The power sharing among religious and linguistic groups is an example of power sharing among social groups. Community government in Belgium is an example of power sharing among social groups. In some countries, there are constitutional arrangements for the representation of weaker section and women in the administration and in the legislature. Reserved constituency in India is an example of this constitutional arrangement. So it's all about the power sharing among various social groups. The last type of power sharing is power sharing among political parties, pressure groups and movements. The power is shared among political parties through political competitions and different parties which is representing different ideologies come to power. The power is also shared among various pressure groups such as traders and industrialists by participating in governmental committees and bringing changes in decision making process through the movements. So it's all about power sharing among political parties, pressure groups and movements. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts or suggestions based on this chapter, please comment on the comment box. Don't forget to like and share this video. Bye all. See you in the next video.